Hi students, I hope you are doing well. So today is the second week of our practice. Um, Last week we were focusing in two major things. We were focusing on holding the bow correctly, and then we were bringing the instrument into playing position, making sure that we had a V, and making sure that we had our wrist straight while holding the instrument, and we were bowing on the D string quarter notes. Pam 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 pam. But the most important thing that I want to make sure that you are doing correctly is the bow hold. So please, I record a video about the bow hold. Make sure that you watch it, either for cello, either for violin, viola, bass. It doesn't matter, just go check the video that goes for you. Violins and violas, there is one video for you. Cello and bass, there is another video for you. So make sure that you watch it, because your fingers needs to be specifically the way that I show you that it should be. Violins like this, violas like this, and then cello and bass, it's gonna be everything resting like this. Okay, so that is gonna be important. So for today's lesson, guys, we are going to keep playing the instrument, but we are going to follow some steps. So on the document that you will see that I will add today, you will see that we are going to play two notes. We are going to play the note D, the string D, and we are going to also play the string A. Those are two strings in our instruments. Violins, when you have the instrument and you are facing the instrument, the strings are evil, aliens, destroy galaxies. That's for the violins. Starting from the right, evil, aliens, destroy galaxies, ending on the left. Okay? For the violas and the cello, it is a little bit different. So for the viola and the cello, we got all dogs get cats. All dog get cats. All dogs get cats. From the right to the left. When you put the instrument facing you, from the right to the left, those are the names of the strings. And then for the bass are also four different strings. And just to help you guys, I am going to add on the paper that we are going to be using for today's lesson. I am going to add the how the instrument looks and which are the different strings, so that you are clear on which one is which. Okay. So we are going to do a couple of different steps in order to work this week. Okay. So the first step that we are going to do, we are going to clap the rhythms like we did in the classroom. Remember that we were clapping according to the notes that we had on the board. That's it. That is going to be the first step. Then second step, we are going to clap, but this time we are going to also sing the letters that we have there. So for example, if we have 4 D's, we're going to say D, 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 D. If we have 4 A's, it's going to say A, 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 A. That is going to be step number 2. Again, remember step number 1, we are going to clap the rhythm. Step number 2, we are going to clap the rhythm with the letters. Okay, with the letters. So D, D, A, whatever the letters that you will see on the paper are going to be. Okay, I am not going to do it for you because then you won't do it on yourself. Then the third step, we are going to do the C, and we are going to pluck what is in the paper that you just clap and read the letter, and you just clap. Okay, so what we did on step number 1, what we did in step number 2, now on step number 3, we are going to use the instrument to play those notes. If it's 4Ds, then D, 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 D. And basically then the last step is gonna be actually playing it with the bow. If we have 4Ds and it's 4 quarter notes, because that's what we're gonna play today, 4 quarter notes. Well, this week 4 quarter notes is gonna be D, 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 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, that's the tempo. And I added a website that has a metronome that is gonna help you to keep a steady tempo. Use it, play it while put it in on when you are playing, so that you can follow the tempo with that click, 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 click that you will listen there. Okay. So again, we are going to work today and this week with a document that you will see in here right next to this video. And basically we are going to play D and A. Okay, remember, violins, that when you have the instrument facing you, the string on the right is evil aliens destroy galaxies, and the violas and the cellos, we got all dogs get cats, and the bass also has high strings there. So we are going to work with these papers. The instructions are there very clear. We are going to play those notes. Everything is gonna be quarter notes. And basically I said that I won't do the paper for you, but I will do it. So first measure, second measure, third measure, fourth measure, fifth measure, sixth measure, seventh measure, eighth measure. I will play it all, and I will let you do it on your own at home as well. But I want you to do it on your own, okay? So that exercise goes like this. Basically, guys, those are the 8 measures that you will see on the paper. Make sure that you identify the notes. Make sure that you follow the steps that I told you. First, we are going to clap. Second, we are going to clap and sing the letters. Step number 3, we are going to come and plug. And then step number 4, the last one, we are going to make sure that you are holding the bow correctly right there, and we are going to bow on the instrument the 8 measures that we have there on the paper. Okay, basically that's it for today's for this video. Make sure that you practice that. Remember, we are practicing quarter notes. Quarter notes gets 1 beat, and is written down there on the paper. And we are going to play D, notes D and note A. Okay, those are the 2 notes that we're gonna be playing. And basically, guys, that is gonna be it. Okay, remember, 1 quarter note is 1 beat. So in each measure we are going to play 4 quarter notes. Ta, 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 ta. That's 1 measure there. In each measure, only 4 quarter notes. Okay, and make sure that you know which are the notes that you are playing. I will see you on the video that you will record for me to see you playing that. Okay, see you then. Oh, one more thing. At the bottom, it has an activity for you to create your own 4 measures, creating your own notes. Make sure that it's either D or A. That's it. And you are gonna use quarter notes only. Okay, so you don't need to be too creative or too crazy. Make sure that you can create your own patterns to play that. Okay, bye bye.